Plan 7. Plan 5.
Scandic Hotel Grand in Örebro, Sweden. Serial number is 14078A.
Entré.
Ground floor. Elevator is enough because these are just boring. Modernized by Otis with generic floor indicators. Or grab this bro, and this sounds very bad that it's shaky and
Plan 7.
7th floor. Temperature of 750 kilograms. Inspected paikki vain inspected, maintained paikka only. There are also other similar elevators. I will film them also. Serial number is 14078B. These are generic letters with Otis fixtures, but that's probably modernized by Otis and Cerepat original manufacturer. But I have seen also these fixtures with generic elevator. Front floor. Temperature 750 kilograms. Inspected by QIs, but maintained by Kong. The cap is nice, but otherwise it is boring.
Plan 7.
7th floor. That's